Be ready, start. We have given notice of an amendment stop. Even if you want to continue the existing provision, you could provide for an exception saying that the journalists must not be required to disclose the source of information stop. It is not a question of just the newspaper people and the public being apprehensive over these things stop. Here is a provision which has been expressly put there stop. Of course, you can say that eminent journalists will be there on the council and that we can expect the leaders of the newspaper world who can be expected to be elected to this council to pay proper heed to the professional standards, but it will be better if you were to put an express provision in this bill itself stop. Now, the newspapers reflect political opinion of the country and there are bound to be sharp differences and however much we may try, it may not be always possible to keep within the limits stop. By this provision, you are giving them a handle to force an unwitting journalist or somebody holding a different view to disclose the source of information that is not called for stop stanza. Coming to the other general powers of the Press Council, it is true as mentioned by the Honorable Minister himself that the powers granted to this body are far more and go far beyond the powers granted to the British Press Council in the particular statute stop. I quite follow that stop. The penal provisions therein have not been called to use stop over. Dictation from Kailash Chandra at the speed 100 WPM.